present and gave them a prophetic warning. Listen to what he said.
I pray for India now. We pray for its national carrier, its national airline. For in the realm of the spirit, I began to see something. This is your national carrier was flying within your country. And this was a threat mid-air. A threat mid-air. You will hear it because this is mid-air. Mid-air issue, Indian Airlines.
An Air India flight taking off from Ahmedabad International Airport crashed shortly after takeoff.
A few months after this prophetic warning, exactly 49 days prior to the incident, Prophet gave another reminder to his international family about the upcoming disaster.
International visitors, let me save you from trouble. If you're traveling, avoid red fuselage, red body, aircraft body. Because this is issues in the air. This is Mayday in the air. Mayday in the air. Because this is mid-air issue, Indian Airlines.
Prophet